It's 4:30 p.m. and it looks like we have the makings of some clouds just above the mountains over there. They're kind of charcoal gray color. And that rainbow I saw earlier was just the reflection from the sun. And that was facing west. Now I'm facing east, and you can see we're starting to see some gray clouds forming. Very subtle, but kind of a charcoal gray color. I'm facing northeast of Salt Lake. You can see just between those houses, I'll zoom in, you can see where one of those lines was formed between the two trees and those two houses. Just keep zooming in. I'm just going to pan the sky. You can see it's completely white. You can see the stripes. It's about 4:30. Oh, there's another possible spontaneous cloud. Towards Salt Lake. I'm in the south end of Salt Lake Valley. You can see the stripes. And this is towards the south. This is actually the area that would be over Utah County. You can see, barely see through the haze now, Mount Timpanogos. And you can see the sky is completely white.
Again, this is the Salt Lake Valley haze cam. A screenshot taken at 3:30 p.m. February 2nd, 2013. You can see that here. And it's only been a half hour since the last picture, but look at this. I'm going to show these in an article I'm putting together so you can see the progression. But you can barely see the West Mountains now. And I can't help but notice the similarity again in tonality of what's accumulated here and what's been laid down in the sky by these planes today. Again, these are not commercial airlines. I don't know what they are. I think we need an explanation. I'm not a conspiracy theorist, but I was sick the entire month of January and suffered some heart problems, actually, which I've never had in my life. I'm very healthy. So I've become really diligent about what's going on, and as I mentioned earlier in some of my other videos, I woke up this morning to beautiful blue sky and some of these lines in the sky. I've noticed them for a couple of years, and I wanted to make a record. So I've spent the day doing this. I hope this is helpful, and I hope that we can get some explanations, because I think we deserve some. So, continue on. This is the Salt Lake Valley haze cam at 3:45 p.m., February 2nd, 2013, and you can see the mountains are almost unable to see the mountains. And sorry if I'm not articulate. I have done nothing but work this all day. It's just amazing. You have to see it in sequence to believe it, really. So for the record,